Did you know that a single tree can support thousands of species? Nature is one big web and every living thing is connected. Take bees, for example. They pollinate flowers which grow into fruits that animals and we eat. No bees, no food. When wolves were reintroduced to Yellowstone, they controlled deer populations, allowing trees to grow back, which brought back birds, beavers, and even fish. And in the ocean, tiny plankton feed fish, which feed bigger fish, which feed, well, sharks. Without plankton, the whole food chain collapses. Everything in nature is connected. If one species disappears, it affects the entire system. That's why protecting nature protects us all. So next time you see a bee, a tree, or even a tiny ant, remember, they all play a role in the web of life. Like and follow for more nature facts.